1.5 Acid-base balance. Explain how chemical buffer system, respiratory center, and the kidneys keep the pH in body fluids relatively constant. Chemical buffer systems. Buffers are substances that stabilize the pH of a solution despite the addition of an acid or a base. Buffers can combine with strong bases to convert them into weak bases. Such reactions help minimize pH changes in the body fluids. Bicarbonate carbonic acid buffer. Present in both intracellular and extracellular fluids. The bicarbonate ion HCO3 weak base and carbonic acid H2CO3 weak acid. The reaction releases bicarbonate ion increases the free hydrogen ions at equilibrium that minimizes the shift towards a more alkaline pH. Phosphate buffer system. Found in the blood in two forms: sodium dihydrogen phosphate weak acid and sodium monohydrogen phosphate weak base. The weak acid comes into contact with a strong base, sodium hydroxide. The weak acid reverts back to the weak base and produces water. Protein buffer system. Protein buffer system contributes to the regulation of pH in the ECF and ICF. These buffer systems interact intensively with the two other buffer systems. Hemoglobin buffers hydrogen ions. Amino acid can accept hydrogen ions, freely exposed protein molecules. Plasma protein work predominantly inside the cell. Charged regions of these molecules can be in hydrogen and hydroxyl ions and thus function as buffers. Respiratory center and the kidneys keep the pH of body fluids relatively constant. The respiratory tract can adjust the blood pH upward in minutes by exhaling CO2 from the body. The kidneys help control acid-base balance by excreting hydrogen ions and generating bicarbonate that helps maintain blood plasma pH within normal range. Summary: acid-base buffer systems take up hydrogen ions when body fluids are becoming more acidic and give up hydrogen ions when the fluids are becoming more basic. Whenever the hydrogen ions concentration begins to change, the chemical balances in all of the buffer system change to resistant driven pH.